Okay, let us see the cranial cavity after removing the brain and the nerves related to it. So in the midline we can see the crista galli. On each side there is a cribriform plate which is pierced by rootlets of the olfactory nerve. Then we can see the optic nerve passing from the optic canal along with internal carotid artery. Then this is the third cranial nerve, oculomotor. This one is the cavernous sinus on each side of the body of the sphenoid. And oculomotor along with the fourth cranial nerve, it pierces its roof and passing from the superior orbital fissure. Here it passes from the superior orbital fissure. Then we can see the fifth cranial nerve, that is the trigeminal. It rests on the trigeminal impression on the petrous temporal bone, and here we can see trigeminal ganglion. So this is the trigeminal nerve, and here we can see the three division of the trigeminal nerve: ophthalmic, then maxillary, and then mandibular. Ophthalmic passing from the superior orbital fissure, maxillary passes through the foramen rotundum, and mandibular division passing from the foramen ovale. So this is trigeminal nerve. Then we can see the sixth cranial nerve, that is the abducent nerve. In cranial cavity we see over here on the clavus, but it passes through the superior orbital fissure. It lie into the cavernous sinus inferomedially. Then this is the internal acoustic meatus, and here the seventh and eighth cranial nerve. Seventh is the facial, eighth is the vestibulocochlear. It passes from the internal acoustic meatus. Then 9th, 10th and the 11th, these are the 9th, 10th and 11th nerve passing from the jugular foramen. 9th is glossopharyngeal, 10th is vagus, and 11th is the spinal accessory nerve. And the last 12th cranial nerve, that is the hypoglossal nerve. We can see over here on each side of the foramen magnum from the hypoglossal canal. So this is about the cranial nerves and related to the interior of the cranium. Thank you.